This is a beautiful view from the villa towards the park. A beautiful park inside the community. Some community pictures. Geographic location of the Pulse beachfront. Viewers, today we will discuss the Pulse beachfront. We have 3-bedroom middle unit townhouse, built up area 2589, 1.35 million onward, and semi-detached 3-bedroom, same built up area and 1.5 million onward, because it will have good plot size. And 4-bedroom twin villas, built up area 3186, 1.7 million, and 5-bedroom 4238, built up area 2.8 million onward. Now let's have a look on the geographic location. This complete area is a residential district, and this one is Expo Center, Maktoum Airport, and also this is Emaar South. We have a lot of villas also here, and this area we have exactly the beachfront. The Pulse beachfront is situated here, in which they have launched only this area just now. This area they have launched, and they are they are building this area. Here we will have a park you saw in the picture, and this area they have launched. Okay viewers, this is the master plan of the Pulse beachfront. This area is already launched, which have this specification. This is the main park in this community, and also they have specified the types: unit, schedule, that is 3-bedroom corner, middle unit, standard, premium, 4-bedroom standard and premium, and 5-bedroom premium. So these are the units. They have highlighted by the colors. I will send you this master plan upon your request. 3-bedroom middle unit, so it has already specified. Here we have built up area 2583 and garden 563, total 3146, which is beautiful. And if we see closely, we have here living room, outdoor terrace, kitchen, maid room with washroom, guest toilet, and also on the first floor we have bedroom, master bedroom, and also this bedroom. A 3-bedroom semi-detached. It has a specification here. We have 2589, built up area, garden 1478, total size 4067, and here we have a living, kitchen, everything is specified here. Master bedroom, we have dressing and all, bedroom number 2, bedroom number 1. So this is 3-bedroom semi-detached. and also in the master plan they have specified exactly in this area. If we see closely, so it will be exactly here. So these are the 3 bedroom semi-detached. Now we have 3 bedroom corner unit. It has a specification 2589, built up area garden 1263, total area is 3852, and this is the floor plan, and also it has specified all the things 1 2 3 4 5 like this: porch, lobby, laundry, kitchen, living and dining, and all, and also in the master plan it is visibly shown. A few of the points about this area. This is Expo Center, Maktoum Airport, we have south here. Also we have Rimram in this place, Mudon community, Damak Hills 1, Arabian Ranches, Jumeirah Golf Estate, Greens community. So this is the area which is very near to few of the beautiful locations. This is the payment plan for 3 bedroom, expected starting price from 1.35 million, and this all payment for 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom and 5 bedroom. They have 70-30, 70 up to handover and 30% is post handover. Okay, so whenever November 2024 is handover, and this is November 2024 you will get handover. These are the percentage of every month, and 20% on handover, and then 30% is post handover. Payment plan for 4 bedroom, expected starting price from 1.7 million. Payment plan for 5 bedroom villas, expected starting price from 2.6 million, and also it is like increased up to 2.8 million starting prices, and this is the payment plan 70-30. Now we will check the distances from different areas, like we will check the distances, the Pulse townhouses to Marina. So it will show us the distance and also the time. 33, it is showing 33 minutes 38 kilometer. Okay, and if we check Maktoum Airport, it will show us the distance from the Pulse to Maktoum Airport to the it is showing 17 minutes 21 kilometers. Check, this is exact showing the area. You can even go inside the Boulevard Road, you can use this road as well. 18 minutes, okay, and 18 kilometers. So it is very near. And I will also check Dubai Expo. So it will show you the Expo Center. So viewers, this is all about the Pulse beachfront. If you are interested, you want to buy the cheapest townhouses having a beautiful built up area, so this is the place you can buy. Okay, and if you are interested, I will give my number in the description. You can contact me on that number. Thank you so much.